Okay, right about now we'll be looking at we'll be getting started with JavaScript properly. So we've done a brief introduction about JavaScript, what's about, founded, and all of that, what's used for. Okay, but now we're going to get started with JavaScript. Okay, okay. To get started with JavaScript, to use JavaScript in your HTML code, you need to use the script tag. Now we've talked about tag in um, under HTML, right? And we've talked about table tag, form tags, and all the other tags. So for CSS, we use the style tag to embed our, our CSS internally in our HTML code. Okay, for JavaScript, we need to use the script tag. The script tag is used to write JavaScript code. That's why it's called JavaScript, obviously. Okay. Script tag is either placed inside the head tag or inside the body tag. So unlike our style, our CSS that has to be placed inside the head, as that's aside the inline that can be placed here, but it's not inside the tag. You cannot put this style tag inside this body to try an error. It won't work. But for JavaScript, you can be placed in the head or inside the body tag, so you can put style inside of here and there'll be no issues. So let's make progress. So this just explain what we just said now. So inside this head tag, you can see the head tag. You can put your script tag and replace here. Also inside your body tag, you can see the body tag here, open tag and closing tag. You can put a script here and it will still work fine, right? So if you copy everything here and paste on your code, there will be no issues. So so let's start with hello world and let's go practically and let's implement this. So this would be an a should you do console log or alert? I think alert would be better. So yeah, okay. So in order to print hello world, you can use any of these three methods. The most common are console log. Console log will show on your browser. So let's check it out. So let me try something. I would put a script tag here. I'll put it at the bottom. So because the browser reads your code from top to bottom. So if I put it on top, it will read this before the others. So let me use the script tag, and inside the script tag, I would let me use the first one, console.log. So these are common things you get to use a lot later. So log, what am I console logging? Anything you want to be inside. So hello world. If I save this, let me run this again. Let me run this. So it will console log this. So to console log, you inspect. So check your console. Now this part of the Chrome developers tool we spoke about in the beginning, introductory stuff. So you can see here, hello world is being displayed here, right? So this console log, you check your console tab. This element will show you everything that's inside your HTML and CSS at the side also. So your CSS will be displayed here. Your elements will be displayed here. If you go to console, anything you use, you console log will be displayed there. If I change this to side also, where are we? Okay. If I change this to side also, yeah, you can see it's displayed here, side also. So that's for console log. The next thing we'll do Let's see. Document.write. Let's try it out. I don't okay. So let me control Z. Document.write. All these are JavaScript um tools, functions, right? So let's go back there and see what happens. So document.write, you write it inside your code, as you can see here. Let me close this. So that's document.write. So if you want to input anything on your code base, you can use document.write. That's JavaScript implementing HTML. So the last one is alert. Alert will be like a pop-up. If you use alerts, right? Yeah, you can see it. Let me look. Um, let me reload this page. Okay, okay. So this can be used to, if someone comes to this page and you want to display something, you can use alerts. It will show first. I think it's common with some pages where before, when you enter some pages, you see some pop-up that will come up to give you some information, probably a sales, probably an e-commerce website, or a food website. When you enter, they can show promo, get this for 50%, 10-20% discounts. So you click OK to take it to where you can order for it, something like that. So that's just a simple way to get started with JavaScript. We'll go deeper in the next videos.